Here's another method. Be careful, as it's fairly technical and best suited to pilots of a certain level of skill. It demands precision and must be effected smoothly. This technique consists of collapsing one side of the wing, then stalling the other. With his back to the wing, Russell takes the front risers in one hand and the rear risers in the other. He begins by causing the right side to collapse by firmly pulling on the front risers. When the wing is collapsed, he stalls the other side by pulling on the back risers, preventing any rotation from the open side. The wing finds itself almost instantly deflated and depressurized. It drops gently to the ground.